Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To pay bills you have entered, open the Pay Bills window by selecting Vendors, Pay Bills from the menu bar. At the top of the Pay Bills window, select either the option button to show bills due on or before a date you select, or to show all bills. To select the bills to pay, click the checkboxes to the left of the bills to mark them with a check mark. QuickBooks will place the amount to pay for each bill selected into the rightmost Amount to Pay column. Notice that this is a white column. If necessary, you can change the amount shown here to make a partial payment on a selected bill. In the middle of the Pay Bills window, you'll see the vendor, discount, and credit information for the currently selected or highlighted bill. You can click the Go to Bill button to open the original bill in the Enter Bills window if you need to review it. The Set Discount and Set Credits buttons are used to take early payment discounts and apply vendor credits to selected bills if available. You will see how to perform these tasks in separate lessons in this chapter. In the Payment section of the Pay Bills window, enter the correct payment date into the Date field. Use the Method dropdown to select the desired method of payment for the selected bills. To pay bills by check, select Check from the Method dropdown. Select either the To Be Printed or Assign Check Number option button, and then select the account from which to withdraw the funds to pay the selected bills from the Account dropdown. If you select the To Be Printed option button, then the checks will be assigned a check number later when you print them. If you select the Assign Check Number option, you enter the starting check number into the window that appears after you click the Pay Selected Bills button. Alternatively, to pay bills by credit card, select Credit Card from the Method dropdown, and then use the adjacent Account dropdown to select the credit card account to use to pay the bills. Alternatively, to set up and/or schedule an online payment after you click the Pay Selected Bills button if using QuickBooks Desktop Pro 2022 or later, select Schedule Online Payment from the Method dropdown. When finished, click the Pay Selected Bills button to pay the selected bills. When you pay a bill within QuickBooks, an entry is made in the Accounts Payable register showing a decrease by the amount of the bill payment to the total accounts payable balance. If paying by check, QuickBooks also creates a check from your checking account to pay the bill. You can open the Accounts Payable register by opening the Chart of Accounts and then double-clicking the Accounts Payable entry to see its register. You could also view the check that is created by double-clicking your checking account in the Chart of Accounts to view that register. Notice that this type of check is called a bill payment check and differs from the typical check you create when creating checks in the Write Checks window. On those checks, you see the expenses directly on the check voucher portion, while in bill payment checks, the bottom portion shows the bills paid by the check instead.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.